I just forgot how difficult it is to film yourself and to like yourself while filming. Let me show you the weather here. Oh god. And after therapy I don't want to die at the age of 25. Is it a row? Yeah, right. Are here, but some of them are done and...
Ячейка 1056.
Look how much is left. Not too much. So we're in trouble. Hey everyone, my name is Lera. Welcome to my channel. It's about knitting, crocheting, handmaking, and creating things in general. It's also about traveling and sometimes about my thoughts. And this video is kinda new experience for me because I am from Russia and my mother tongue is Russian, not English. So sorry for my accent, maybe for some mistakes. I promise I'll try to do my best. This video is gonna be a vlog, knitting and crocheting vlog. In Russian language we've got one word for both things like вязание, but you guys, I don't know why, but you like separating them. Anyway, it's about me trying to knit and crochet as many things as possible during one day. Let's get started. First of all, let me show you what I want to finish today. The first thing is a pair of socks. The first one has been already finished. Yeah, I finished it yesterday. These socks are for my mom, and I also started the second one yesterday. I have already knitted 30 rows. I'm not sure, do you call it like is it a row? Yeah, right? I hope so. So 30 rows are done and I'm going to finish this part today. I have a day off, so maybe, not maybe, I think I'm pretty sure that I have enough time to do it. I also have another pair of socks for my dad, and the second one has already been started recently. I started it maybe several months ago and I wanted to finish it much more earlier, but I didn't have a chance to do it. So I don't know how many rows are here, but some of them are done, and I'm not sure that I will finish it today, but I hope that I'll have a chance to knit this part, alright? If you know how to call it in English, please tell me. We're done with knitting, now let's move on to crocheting. I've got a scarf. It's for my friend. I made a short video about it, you can watch it somewhere here. This is the yarn which I used for my friend's scarf. It's pretty popular in Russia and I think abroad as well. Yeah, I think I'll start with this thing because it's the easiest one.
Реальных выстрелов, услышанных bullet point, и преобладание просто это заметил, потому что не мог заснуть, обдумывая другую проблему.
The first thing is done. Look at this. I know, I love the way it looks. Maybe it's a bit wider than needed, but still I was afraid to make it too narrow. So it looks like this. Do you love the pattern? To be honest, I do. It's so quick and easy to crochet, but it looks amazing. And you just put it on. And you're ready to go out. I think it looks nice. Well, honestly, it's not too cold outside now. It's kind of +1, 0, -1, something like that. So it's warm. But my friend, she likes all these warm things, so I guess she'll use it.
Ячейка 1056. Содержимое неизвестно. Начальная ставка $100.
Well, I'm done with the first project and I had a kind of coffee break. Now I want to knit and I want to finish the second sock. I've got a notebook. Here I make some notes about my projects. So here is everything I need. I remember when I was a kid, about 10 or 11 years old, I was interested in friendship bracelets and I made a lot of them. And a bit later I started to want to learn how to crochet and knit, but I didn't understand anything and I asked my grandma to help me. She tried, but we didn't achieve any success. I still did not understand how to do it.
Если бы эти люди были диверсантами на АЭС, их ДНК были бы повреждены. Следы цезия-137 изменили бы их останки на сотни лет. Но где низкоквалифицированный детектив мог сделать такой анализ ДНК? Совсем другой вопрос.
Кажется, я знаю, куда он мог обратиться.
занимался неверными зубами.
By the way, today is the 2nd of March, so spring has just started. Let me show you the weather here. Oh god. Wow. This is spring. I'm almost done with the second sock. Just look at it. It looks adorable. Love it. It's so nice. And I'm sure that after washing, it's gonna look just perfectly. I love this yarn. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name, but if I find a photo of it, of course, I will attach it here. Look how much is left. Not too much. So we're in trouble. Anyway, I have to knit 25 rows and then just the end of this sock. The part which I'm going to knit right now is the most boring and simple. So I just want to talk for a bit while knitting, if you don't mind. Well, to begin with, I have a microphone, but I lost one part of it, so I just wasn't able to connect it to my phone today. I hope you just can hear me properly. I need to order the lost part. Yeah, I must do it. The second thing is that I really hope this video will gain more than 3 views because I love speaking English. I enjoy it. In my humble opinion, my English is pretty well and I can speak fluently. But there's always a but, yeah? I lose my skills without practice. So I need it. And the only way I can speak English now is making videos. I'm pretty afraid though. And just, if you like this video, if you like the way I speak English, if you wanna, watch some more on my channel, please just support me, okay? Write a comment, like this video or just subscribe. It will help me to understand that I'm just doing it right, okay? One more thing that I have noticed while filming this video today is that it's easier for me to create content in English. I don't know why, but when I try to do it in Russian language, I think that I do not look well enough, beautiful enough, pretty enough. I don't know. I think that my speech is awful. I think that my ideas are boring and things I'm saying in a video are boring. So I usually delete and never upload it, or almost never upload it. But when I do it in English, I just don't care. People say that English is friendlier than Russian, and I partly agree with that. I just want to try, maybe make new friends, I don't know, improve my speaking skills, of course, as I have said it before. And the thing is, when my Russian friends say something like, Laura, you must create content about English because you're an English teacher, for children mostly, I'm always afraid. It scares me a lot. It really does, because I don't want to make a mistake. I don't want other teachers correct me. But when we speak about just a knitting vlog or crocheting vlog, or just a vlog about my life, I feel like I'm not a teacher here. I'm just a human. Yeah, English is not my mother tongue, so I can't make mistakes. Yes, I can do this. Why not? I'm just a human. My students get better school marks after our lessons. They start speaking, they start playing games, they start watching TV series or just films in English with subtitles or without them. So it all makes sense, but I'm still afraid of making content in English. About English, I mean, as a teacher. But as a person who can speak this language, I just feel free. I don't know why. I have no answer why it works like that, but it does, and here I am, knitting a sock, talking to you in English, and hoping that you will support me. Well, I have knitted maybe 3 rows, something like that. Did you count? Now I'm gonna continue watching my favorite TV series, which is called Elementary, by the way. And I think I will finish this sock no more than in 1 hour. So let's go. Okay, I came back. It was too warm to wear a hat. It was a mistake. And it's still kind of warm in the flat. Yes. Fresh air. This one is for my boyfriend. This one is for my coffee break. And this one, just because I like it. I try not to drink it every day because it's bad for my heart and so on. Yes, and after therapy I don't want to die at the age of 25. But it's too tasty. It's too tasty. If, you know, if I find a lemonade with the similar flavor, I will drink it. But until then, I choose burn. Cheers! Now we're ready to continue knitting. 20 rows are finished and only 5 are left. And then this thing, musok, how we call it in Russian. And there's the only yarn I have. I'm not sure that it's enough, but I hope so. I really do. Okay, let's finish this guy. I have just finished my socks. Look at that. Look at it, it's so cute. Which one is? Yeah, this is the first guy. The first one. It looks nice. I like the way it looks. This is the second one. Yeah? Do you see this? I don't like it. The only part I don't like in this sock is this one. Alright? But I think that after washing it will look just perfectly. At least I hope so. And I also wanna film one more short video clip to upload it on YouTube right now before editing the whole video about these socks. But it's 5 p.m. now, and you see the light isn't so good. I don't have any lamps here. The only lamp I have is this one. Maybe it's gonna be. It's awful. What about this one? Better. Oi. Awful. Better. Not so bad. Well, anyway, it's 5 p.m. and I'm pretty tired of socks. But I remember I told you just in the beginning of this video that I wanna finish one more sock for my father. Here it is, and as you see, I have to knit a lot here. I don't want. No, okay, no socks anymore for today. Not today. Please, God, please. For now, I wanna, I don't know, I wanna start editing video about this day, and I also wanna crochet something. I also came up with the idea for a new video, but it's 5 p.m. now, and you see, you see, it's too dark. It's too dark to film anything. See you in several hours when I finish something, alright? Cheers. Good morning guys, today is the second day, so it's high time to finish this vlog. I just wanna share with you my final results. I think you remember this scarf from my friend. It looks adorable. I love the way it looks. I also think that you remember these socks from my mom. This is the second sock which I started and finished yesterday. And one more thing which I have done during this video. This sock. Yeah, you remember? This part was done, and I also finished this part. Honestly, if I spent a bit more time on knitting, I would finish this sock as well, but yesterday I had a lot of stuff to do. For example, eat some sushi with my boyfriend, cook a pie, and just chill and relax. So I chose those things, not this one. Anyway, I guess it's a great result, and I hope that you enjoyed watching my video. I hope you enjoyed me speaking English. If so, please subscribe, press on like button, write some comments, and just support me any way you want. Thank you for being with me here, and see you soon. Bye.